Welcome to my channel. Today we are taking a nostalgic ride back in time with the legendary 1993 Yamaha Rajdoot 350, a motorcycle that still holds a special place in the hearts of Indian and Pakistani biking enthusiasts. This bike was not just a machine, it was an emotion, a symbol of raw power and bold character during an era when motorcycles were simple, loud, and full of soul. The moment you looked at the Yamaha Rajdoot 350, you knew it was different from anything else on the road. The 1993 Yamaha Rajdoot 350 was powered by a 347cc, air-cooled, two-stroke parallel twin engine that delivered thrilling performance for its time. With its unmistakable exhaust note and strong mid-range punch, this bike was known for its instant acceleration and aggressive riding feel. Twist the throttle and the Rajdoot 350 responded with a surge of power that made every ride exciting, especially on open highways. In the early 90s, this level of performance was almost unheard of in the local motorcycle market. One of the most iconic aspects of the Yamaha Rajdoot 350 was its sound. That deep, crackling two-stroke exhaust note turned heads wherever the bike went. Even today, hearing a well-maintained Rajdoot instantly brings back memories of an era when motorcycles were raw and mechanical. The engine required skill and respect, rewarding experienced riders with a thrilling and engaging ride. In terms of design, the 1993 Yamaha Rajdoot 350 followed a no-nonsense approach. It featured a simple round headlamp, a muscular fuel tank flat seat, and a solid metal body that gave it a strong road presence. The riding posture was upright and comfortable, making it suitable for both city rides and long-distance touring. Though it lacked modern features, the bike's rugged build quality made it feel dependable and tough. Handling on the Yamaha Rajdoot 350 was stable and confidence-inspiring, especially at higher speeds. The suspension was tuned for Indian road conditions, absorbing bumps reasonably well for its time. Braking duties were handled by drum brakes, which may feel outdated today but were standard back then. Riding this bike demanded skill, making it more appealing to passionate riders rather than beginners. Fuel efficiency was never the strong point of the Rajdoot 350, but buyers didn't care. This bike was all about power, character, and riding pleasure. Maintenance required attention, especially due to its two-stroke nature, but for enthusiasts, this was part of the charm. Today, the 1993 Yamaha Rajdoot 350 is a rare collector's item. Well-preserved examples are highly valued and admired at vintage bike shows. It represents a golden chapter in motorcycle history, reminding us of a time when riding was raw, loud, and purely thrilling. If you love classic motorcycles, the Yamaha Rajdoot 350 will always remain a true legend.